Hey guys, today I will show you how to install Coolify on Debian 13 so that you can start hosting your favorite web applications. Coolify is a free and open source PaaS or platform as a service like Deploy, Unahost, Cloud Run, Cuprover, and Run TP. So you just need to have a VPS that runs Debian 13 and a domain name. I'll be using PetroSky VPS. And be sure to choose Debian 13 while setting up your server. And I will just go to my server right here. This is my VPS control panel. You can always reinstall an operating system by going to reinstall on PetroSky VPS. Okay, we will connect to our VPS using a free SSH client called Bitwise. Just copy your IP address and run Bitwise. Okay, put your IPv4 here. Click login. Accept and save. And enter your password. And go to new terminal console and update your system. Okay, apt. Okay, our system is up to date and we will now install Coolify. Just copy this command and right click to paste and hit enter. Okay, we have successfully installed Coolify. Now we will access this using our IPv4 and port 8000. We'll open this in a new tab. Okay, we will register an account. And click create account. Let's go. We'll set up our Coolify. Then we will choose this machine for our server type. Then we will create our first project and we will deploy our first resource. Okay, welcome to your Coolify. Okay, we'll accept and close. Then we will set a domain. To access our Coolify, we will go to settings and we'll put our domain here. So that will be Coolify webshanks.store. So say panel and put your IPv4 here. Then we will add an A record. So we will go to our domain registrar. I'm using Cloudflare and we will add record. We will choose A. We will set this to Coolify and put your IPv4 here. And we will disable a proxy and click save. And let's go back to our Coolify. And if you want to use HTTPS, we will add HTTPS so that we can access our Coolify securely. Okay, then we will click save. Then we will access our Coolify using this secure URL. Okay, now we have successfully set a secure access to our Coolify. And now we will log in using the login credentials we have created earlier. Okay, now welcome to your Coolify dashboard and you can start creating projects. And you can add resource and connect to your Git or from Docker. Or you can choose an application to install from the list below. So that's it. This is how to deploy your own Coolify and host your favorite applications with just one click. So if you have any questions, just comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on my next video.